never sat down and decided I was going to make a record. It just all came out of impulse and the desire to experiment. Being on tour, you're surrounded by so many people, but you're very isolated at the same time. I always had my headphones with me and my MIDI controller everywhere I went. And so I could just plug in and start composing at any time. There was one morning in particular when it became very obvious what ARCADIA was supposed to be. And I just wanted to hear this pulse. That was the beginning of Avenues, was just the...
Between the buoy of dreaming and the anchor of home, I had you.
The vocal builds over that just by itself in the verse, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, this organ slams back in with the chorus. Because the laptop mic, which I was singing into directly, is so sensitive, it was an interesting kind of adventure to see how I could find that space to record in.
Let them talk while you reach for my hand, replacing a drowning idea of a man.
Or to go into a room and hear, okay, there's too much reflection in here. Or I need to go under the covers and put the covers over myself. It stopped being like a laptop and MIDI controller to me. It started being like a portal to my own virtual version of nature. There were 2 days that I spent sitting outside building a synth patch that sounded like the cicadas. I wanted it to be something that I could play, really just stick my whole hand on the keyboard and simulate a group of them singing together and going. Those insects to me kind of tied the gap in this beautiful way between the way I was working and the world that I wanted to evoke.